Hello everybody, once again welcome back to another video. So today we will see that how we can uninstall unwanted programs from computer system. So for that first we will search here for the control panel. So as the control panel will open, so here will be the options of to just uninstall a program. So we will select here uninstall a program, and here you will be able to see the all the applications which is installed in your computer system. So what we will have to do, if you want any application which is not in use, so you can simply uninstall the programs. Like I am just going to select Audacity and I want to install these applications. And you will see here the notifications like he is asking for the uninstall programs. You will have to select OK. Then like in the same way, I'm just going to remove CapCut from the system. So I will install this, but it is showing some error. So we will first fix that. So I'm just going to check again that if it is installing or not. So like we can see that here again and again it is showing some error. So again we will choose and we'll select the another options, which is the ignore. So I'm going to select here the ignore options, and we'll see that now it is asking for the audios really want to uninstall. So it has already started to uninstall the program. So in the same way we will remove all the applications. Like I'm going to remove another program which is the Muse Hub. So CapCut has already uninstalled from the computer system. Now we will uninstall Muse Hub from the computer system. So I'm going to select the Muse Hub and we will select the uninstall. So in this way simply you can remove all the unwanted applications from your computer system. So if you really love this video, so please do thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Have a great day.